Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Tell Aunt Rhody violin playthrough. Alright, so, oh, and I'm still in gray, so if you're curious, check the lyrics below because I am on theme, okay? So here we go. Instruments up, pinky on your bow, straight wrist, 1 and 2 on the A. Alright, so let's do our slow and fast performance speeds, okay? So slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now, ready for the fast performance speed? Alright, we gotta pick it up. Here we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how'd you do? So again, if you can play it with me at the slow speed and then the fastest speed and kind of choose something in between there, you have the full range. You'll be prepared for your recital performance. All right, I'll see you next time.